Hello guys, so today is 41st day of my systems trading, and today actually again Finvacia gave a glitch somewhere here in this region. So what happened is, like, at around 14 o'clock I had to close all my positions due to this particular glitch, and I could only book around 727 rupees. So the markets were actually, let me convert it to 5 minutes and then show you. Okay, so market, we we opened absolutely flat, and then there was a quick rise. I'm showing you the Finnifty chart. So there was a quick rise of 0.2%. I mean, that's not even a rise. And then market, it was like, maintaining the 0.2% range till this moment, till this green candle at 1435. All right, and then and then from here market gave additional 0.3% in rise. So if my system I would have run today, I would have, like, ended up with like close to 800 or 900 rupees loss. So that's not much of a difference between what I made today and what I would have lost today. So that is why I'm considering this as a complete day and not as a missed day. So let's see what tomorrow brings out for me, and I hope that Shunya doesn't give another glitch anytime soon. So until then, take care, bye bye.